How to apply for an IPO on CommSec. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for an IPO on CommSec account or CommSec app. So to do that, first of all, open the CommSec website or your app and simply log into your account. Now for this video, I'm going to be doing it through my browser. So I'll simply go to the CommSec website, which is basically commsec.com.au. After that, log into your account. Now once you've done that, simply see the option tools to help you trade, and then you can see the first option IPO Investment Center. Simply tap on it, and once you've done that, simply tap on the option initial public offering, go for launch, apply now. And now you'll have to basically fill out all of these details and then simply apply for the IPO Investment Center inside the CommSec app. So first of all, do your country of residence. Now simply select your state, your postcode, tap on the option continue. Now read all of the terms and conditions, and once you've done that, agree to it and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, simply scroll all the way down, and then you can see more details about the IPO Investment Center. And once you've done that, simply download the offer document, then tap on the option apply now. Now you'll have to first of all create a CommSec International Shares account. So to do that, tap on the option create international shares account. And once you've done that, you'll have to first of all verify your phone number. So simply get a security code on your phone number and then enter the 6-digit code. Then tap on the option next. Again, tap on the option next. Continue. Now simply confirm your details and then tap on the option next. Now you'll have to provide them with your details. So you can either provide them with your Australian driver's license or your passport. For now, I'm simply gonna provide my Australian driver's license. So I'm gonna first of all enter the license number. Now once you've done all of those, tap on the option agree and continue. Scroll down, acknowledge, accept and continue. Now you'll have to fill out all these details, such as are you a citizen or resident of the United States of America? Next. And do you have a US ITIN or an SSN? Next. What's your primary country of citizenship? Now tap on the option next. Simply check all of your details, and once you're happy with the details, you'll have to agree to this. You'll have to sign and submit a W8BEN form. And now once you've signed and submitted a W8BEN form, you'll have successfully created an account, and likewise you'll have created an IPO account or IPO Investment Center, and then you can basically trade IPOs or buy IPOs from your CommSec. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.